Hello, welcome everyone. In this question, it says each cricket ball in a set has mass 0.5 kilograms. So each one 0.5. The green ball traveling 12 meters per second strikes blue ball, which at rest. So green one, it is moving 12 meters per second and it strikes the blue one, which is at rest. That means velocity of it 0. Assume that the balls slide on frictionless surface and collision are head-on. Find the final speed blue ball in each following situation. At the A, it says what? Let's see. The green ball stop moving after its side strikes the blue ball. It means at the A, final velocity of the green ball will be 0. Our formula, this is the conservation of momentum, m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial, that will be equal m1 times v1 final plus m2 times v2 final, we can say. And let's use this side for the A. Yes, m1 first object is the green ball, let's say second object is the blue ball. Initial velocity of the blue ball is 0 and the final velocity of the green ball, due to given it says, let's say it stop, so this will be 0. So m1 0.5 times v1 initial is the 12 plus 0, I'm not writing that. m2 is 0.5 times v2 final, that means final velocity of the blue ball. So v2 final will be 12 meters per second. It will be same direction as the green ball. At the B, it says the green ball continues moving after collision 2.4 meters per second in the same direction. So again, we're gonna write same formula, m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial, that's equal m1 times v1 final plus m2 times v2 final. Now initial velocity of the blue ball is 0, so this one will be 0, but at the B, final velocity of the green ball different than the 0. So m1 0.5 times initial velocity of the green, it is 12 again, same, plus 0, that's equal 0.5 times the velocity of the green ball given 2.4 plus 0.5 times v2 final. And if we do calculation and if we send this one to other side and divide it by both sides 0.5, v2 final will be 9.6 meters per second as the same direction. Thanks for listening.